Hey guys, so it's Wednesday. So last night we just got back from Sanibel, and so today we've got a couple things going on. I think Stuart is going to go to Pine Island and to Boca, those two islands off the coast of Sanibel. When we're at Sanibel, we could see that we're missing a link to Pine Island now. Once we got that side up, you know, the microwave hops, we've talked about them, and they kind of go tower site to tower site. So we have Sanibel back online. Pine Island, they've been working real hard to get it opened back up. Stuart is going to take a helicopter there and Boca to check out those two sites. He's kind of going to do an advance. We fly drones on the towers ahead of time to get an idea for the tower guys what's going on at those sites, and then he brings that information back into camp, and then we make our best educated guess. But you know, we always have challenges. So like even at Sanibel yesterday, there's a crew going back to Sanibel today to get ready for that link up to the end of Sanibel and then ultimately to Pine Island. So we've got that going on, and then we'll see if we can get that link into Pine Island. So follow back.